Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Guido. Today we will show you how to open the Motorola Moto G 5G 2025 for repairs. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone. To remove the back cover, you will first need to soften the adhesive underneath. Place the phone with the back cover facing down on a heating pad and use the mobile phone heating option. Allow the heating cycle to finish before continuing. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hairdryer to warm the edges of the back cover. Be careful not to overheat the device, as excessive heat may damage the back cover or internal components. Next, use a suction cup near the bottom edge of the phone and gently create a small opening between the back cover and the frame. You can also use a sharp tool to create a gap. Be careful while using the tool. Next, insert a plastic opening pick or pry tool into the gap and carefully work your way around the edges to release the adhesive. Avoid inserting the tool too deeply, as this could damage internal components. Please note the adhesive is stronger around the camera area. Take extra care while separating this section. Once the adhesive has been fully released, carefully lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the 17 screws securing the mid frame. Next, eject the SIM card tray. Next, using a plastic opening pick or pry tool, create a small gap between the mid frame and the phone housing. For easier process, begin near the SIM card tray opening. Then carefully work your way around the edges to release the plastic retaining clips. While lifting the mid frame, be gentle, as the fingerprint sensor still connected to the logic board. Next, disconnect the battery connector and then disconnect the fingerprint plug from the logic board to completely remove the mid frame from the body. And now the phone is open and ready for further repairs.